from Wing Surya Company. I am a marketing staff. The previous presentation, I have presented our structure organization of Wing Surya Company. Today, I will explain about our sales chart of Wing Surya Company, especially Soklit Pewangi product in 1 year from January 2025 until December 2025. First, you will see on January, Soklit Pewangi sold 1,200 boxes. On February, Soklit Pewangi sold 1,500 boxes. On March, Soklit Pewangi sold 1,800 boxes. On April, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,000 boxes. On May, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,200 boxes. On June, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,500 boxes. On July, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,800 boxes. On August, Soklit Pewangi sold 3,000 boxes. On September, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,800 boxes. On October, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,500 boxes. On November, Soklit Pewangi sold 2,200 boxes. On December, Soklit Pewangi sold 1,800 boxes. Total sales from January 2025 to December 2025 of Wing Surya Company are 25,800. That's our sales chart of Wing Surya Company. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.